Hi, so I want to talk about the S1 FinFit. So this is a free software to anybody who wants to use it, whether it's you or your clients. I see it in an open house as a great way to track buyers until they're ready to buy, because oftentimes they walk in and they're not. So the software will give them an average rate. It gives them the credit score, but what's nice about the credit score is if I hit this little arrow, we have a simulator and I can go in and change my balances or account history. So I'm just going to say on this one that the largest account went to collection. Come back up here, and if I hit simulate score, so you can do this on like new credit, various other things to see exactly how it will affect your score. So I would have lost 106 points with this client if their largest account went in the collection. So they dropped from 816 to 710, but you can do it the reverse if you're trying to build up credit. So it's a great place to have them build their credit. You can put in your checking, savings, you can link in other assets. It does your net worth, your debt ratios, and I'll show you that here in a moment. It has my mug on here. And if you co-brand with me, if you're an agent, both of us will get notifications when they're ready to go, because there's a readiness score I'll show you here in a moment. It gives you your value on your current home. You can search here using home buyer scouting report to find properties.